Good morning, friends. Myself, Dr. Naval Singh Todawat, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, Moreshwar Arts, Science and Commerce College, Bhokardan. Friends, as we are directed to have online lecture modes, in that we are going to have a video series of the BSc first year syllabus, in which the paper we will be dealing known as diversity of cryptograms. Very first, I welcome all of the students on the behalf of the college authority. Dear students, as you are appearing for the first year with the subject of botany, for the first year you will be facing two papers in the semester first. Paper number 1, known as diversity of cryptograms, and in paper 2nd, morphology of angiosperms. Whereas I am going to deal with the paper first, that is diversity of cryptograms. Friends, today we will be having discussion on the syllabus on the paper number first, that is cryptograms. We will be seeing cryptogramic botany step by step. Whereas this paper, diversity of cryptograms, is to be taught in 45 lectures, that is having 3 credits. 1 credit is equivalent to 15 lectures. Paper of cryptograms has been divided into 3 units: Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3. Talking about the Unit 1, Unit 1 comprises various aspects. Number 1, viruses. Number 2, mycoplasma. Number 3, bacteria. Number 4, cryptograms. And the last one, that is lichens. In Unit 2nd, we will be learning regarding phycology, that is algae. We will be studying various genera in the group of alga. For example, nostoc, cara, botryddium, sargassum, and the last one, that is batrachospermum. With regards to these genera, we will be pointing out few aspects, that is systematic positions, occurrence of this genera, thallus structure, reproduction, and many more aspects. The last unit, Unit 3rd, comprises the study of mycology, that is fungi. Whereas in this study, or in the study of mycology, 5 genera are inculcated in the syllabus. Number 1, genera known as albugo belongs to oomycetes. Number 2, mucor belongs to zygomycetes. Number 3, Eurotium, which belongs to ascomycetes. Number 4, Agaricus belongs to basidiomycetes. The last one, Cercospora, which belongs to deuteriomycetes. Friends, this was the little introduction of this paper of cryptograms paper. Whereas in case of viruses, we will be learning general characters of viruses, classification of the viruses which is based on the host, economic importance of the viruses with regards to the disease, that is TMV, also known as tobacco mosaic virus, and structure of the viruses and multiplication of the viruses. This is what we are going to see in details about the viruses. Next to that, concerned with mycoplasma, we will be studying the general characters, thoroughly the general characters of the mycoplasma. Followed to that, bacteria. We will be pointing out the general characters of the bacteria and ultrastructure of the bacteria. Classification of bacteria. This classification of bacteria, which is based on the shape of the bacteria. On the basis of the shape, bacteria are classified into different types. Reproduction of bacteria and economic importance of bacteria. Whereas how these bacteria are beneficiary to mankind, how these bacteria are beneficiary to the living things, and how they are harmful to the livings. Next to that, we will be studying regarding cryptograms, where we will be taught general characters of cryptograms and the classification of the GM Smith up to the class level. The last aspect in the unit first, that is lichens. With the help of this, we will be studying details regarding general characters of lichens, nature of association of the lichens, forms of thallus, economic importance of the lichens, structure of lichens, and the method of reproduction of the lichens. This was the last aspect of the unit first in this paper. Followed to unit first, we move towards unit second, that is algae. We will be focusing the classification of F.E. Frisch 1935 of the alga. This is what about the diversity of cryptograms. Friends, about this paper, I have described in short a short theme that you may be taking notes or you may be studying point wise or unit wise. Friends, in next video, in next lecture series, I will be there on the aspect of viruses. Thank you.